How to delete Google account permanently. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you ended up making multiple Google accounts and want to delete the unwanted ones? If so, you are in the right place. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple process of deleting your Google account. Let's begin. Open Gmail on your device. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top. Switch to the Google account you wish to delete. Again, tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top. Select Manage your Google account. Once on the Google account management page, tap on Data and Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom. Under More options, find and select Delete your Google account. Verify your identity using your password or passkey. Before proceeding with Google account deletion, you have the option to download a data. Tap on the provided link to download the data if needed. Note that all associated content including Gmail, YouTube channels, calendars, contacts and more will be permanently deleted, so I recommend downloading your data. If you are sure about deleting your Google account, tick the required boxes. For now, I am not deleting my account, but make sure you tap on Delete account to proceed. And there you have it, your Google account has been successfully deleted. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.